Now let's look at how to personalize your pitch for each client. Remember, clients' needs are different, and the mistake that many people make is sending the same pitch to everyone. Personalization here means you need to tailor, you need to tweak your pitch to suit the client's needs. To do that, you need to research the client and their industry before pitching them. Then, of course, inside that pitch, you need to use specific examples of how you can help them based on their needs and goals. So in this pitch won't work for someone looking for digital marketing blog post. Why? Because this one is specifically written and personalized for biological sciences website. Yeah, so it won't work for digital marketing. Now, what I would do is just use examples inside here that showcases that I understand their digital marketing needs and goals. Yeah, so you need to use specific examples of how you can help them achieve their needs and goals. And of course, the next thing, you need to address the client by name and show that you have done your homework. Now, the next thing, of course, maybe I would change here is, instead of saying hiring manager, I would go to the website that they provided and look for the main author or the owner. Just go to About Us page, then address them with their name. Yeah, so that's how to personalize a pitch for each client.